엄마, snowstorm 읽어드릴게요. The snowstorm. Today isn't a typical early Monday morning in Centerville. Today isn't a typical early Monday morning in Centerville. In fact, it's a very unusual morning. It's snowing very hard there. All the people are at home. The streets are empty. And the city is quiet. The men and women, the men and women who usually rush to their jobs aren't rushing to their jobs today. Aren't rushing to their jobs today. The people who usually walk to work aren't walking. The people who usually drive aren't driving. And the people who usually take the bus aren't taking the bus. The children who usually go to school aren't going to school today. The children who usually walk to school aren't walking to school today. The children who usually ride a bike, the children who usually take the school bus aren't taking it today. Number 5는 take. Number 6는 taking. And the children who usually ride their bicycles aren't riding them this morning. The city is very quiet. The trucks that usually deliver food aren't delivering it today. The mail carriers who usually deliver mail aren't delivering it this morning. And the police officers who usually direct traffic aren't directing it today. Yes, it's a very unusual Monday morning in Centerville. 1번부터 14번. Usually 다음에는 drive, usually 다음에는 usually take the bus처럼 ing 안 붙고 aren't. 여기 aren't, isn't, aren't 다음에는 ing 붙이세요, 엄마. See you later.